hands down!
You know.
Dude, you keep tensing up, you keep getting it.
There you go. If you don't
Sam? No.
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma delivering a powerful blow. Let's dive into the shocking case of Officer Hernandez, who emptied his magazine at a restrained suspect after mistaking a falling acorn for gunfire. On November 12, 2023, Officer Hernandez was approaching the rear passenger door of the patrol car to check on Jackson when he heard a bang, thinking it was a gunshot and believing he had been shot. The officer Hernandez began to release, roll, and fire the entire magazine from his pistol at a suspect being restrained behind the vehicle, mistaking a falling acorn for gunfire hitting his patrol car.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! You know. I'm hit! I'm hit! I was shot through the car! Oh! I don't know. It felt like it.
I got you. Come on to me.
Dude, am I hit?
In the landmark case Graham versus Connor, 1989, the reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. Additionally, the Model Penal Code Section 2.04 provides that ignorance or mistake as to a matter of fact or law is a defense if the ignorance or mistake negatives the purpose, knowledge, belief, recklessness, or negligence required to establish a material element of the offense, or the law provides that the state of mind established by such ignorance or mistake constitutes a defense. Mistake of fact defenses are more likely to be successful than mistake of law defenses because the mistake of fact is more likely to negate the required mental state for the offense. Hernandez, who had been with OCSO since January 2022, resigned on December 4, 2023, according to the OCSO. Roberts has been with OCSO since May 2008. On March 19, 2019, while recounting the situation to the police, this man appeared frustrated after being informed by mall security that he needed to leave the premises.
Because they told me to walk off, I told them all right, and I already been walked off. I walked off right when they told me. I said, look, all right, I grabbed my stuff and I walked off. You know, once you're over here, you keep walking back over there in the hallway. I was like, look, I wasn't even in the hallway. And so they were like, and then I was like, they was like, we want you to move. And I was like, all right. So he started walking back that way. He wasn't even over there. He was like, we want you to move. So I thought it was because of the hotel or something. And he was like, all right, we'll see right now. And I was like, all right. He said something else. So when we went over there, he came back and he was like, all right, we need you to move. So I was like, all right, I guess it's whatever. It's not the hotel, whatever. So he came over here. I picked up my stuff and I already told him all right. So then they was like, do you understand that we don't want you back over? So why y'all kicking me out of the spot? I'm not even doing anything.
Yeah.
But anyway, so I walked off and I probably would have went back later because it's cool to be over there.
As the conversation continued, the police officer explained that the mall management has the right to ask people to leave if they are not shopping or spending money. The officer even threatened the man, saying that he could be arrested for refusing to leave.
Did they tell you they don't want you in the mall?
Well, no, like, after that, after I told him that, I said, look, y'all ain't got to tell me nothing. I'm already walking up. They was like, the black dude was like, we don't want you giving us no attitude. You gonna have to leave the mall now. I said, look, I ain't even did shit. So I tried to go back that way. I was like, I thought there was an exit, and they grabbed my bag. I said, look, man, don't grab my bag like that.
Yeah.
All they had to tell me was like, look, sir, there's not an exit over here.
Yeah.
So anyways, I was like, all right, I'll go this way.
Okay.
And they was like, all right, we want you to exit the mall. I was like, look, man, I'm not about to exit the mall, bro. I said, look, I want the cops to come here to let y'all know that all I did was tell y'all that I'm walking off, and now y'all trying to make me move. Trying to make me leave the mall, and I'm trying to enjoy my time here.
I just got here, man, so I'm trying to figure it out myself.
All right, so...
Okay. Well, cool. Now, my question to you is, if they tell you to leave the mall, you gonna leave the mall? I understand you don't want to, but if they tell you, are you gonna leave the mall?
I'm asking for what?
Okay. If they don't have to tell you for what. I don't know how much easier to make it. They don't have to tell you. If they don't want you here, you're not here. Okay? So this is my job. Okay, here's the deal. Now you're gonna get argumentative with me. They won't put you in jail. I'll put you in jail.
All right, so why would they just randomly tell me?
I have no idea. But if they don't want you here, if you're not here as a patron, you're not spending money, you're not shopping in the mall, they don't want any loitering, they have the right to protect their customers here. If they tell you they don't want you here and you have to leave, then you have to leave. If you don't leave, then you're breaking the law. But if they tell you to leave and you don't leave, then you're breaking the law. That's when I get involved.
The man became defensive and objected to the officer's reasoning, insisting on his right to be there without having to spend money. Tensions escalated as the officer attempted to collect his identification, but the man hadn't handed it over yet. Finally, the officer informed him that he was under arrest for criminal trespassing.
You have your ID? Let me just get your information. I'm gonna get their information, and then we'll be up.
Y'all take my information, so like, they talking about they want to give me for criminal trespassing.
Yeah, they might give you a criminal trespass.
What you mean? What you mean they can't?
Shit.
No, hold up. What you mean they can't?
Okay, here's the deal. I'm gonna ask you to do something, I'm gonna tell you, then I'm gonna make you.
Let me go, bro. Look, go ahead and let me go, bro. Look, go ahead and let me go, bro.
Yes, sir.
You know what? Now you're under arrest.
For what? For what? Look, bro.
You are tensing up. You're tensing up. Stop. Stop. No, yeah. Put your hand back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Now you're under arrest for criminal trespass.
What did I do?
Listen.
So he got my arm. What you mean?
Listen.
You're under arrest for criminal trespass, sir.
What you mean? They didn't even tell me that yet.
Argumentative, we're not gonna go through this whole story.
I said, look, man, I'm about to give you my ID.
You know what? I agree. It is bull. You know
Look,
why?
bro, and I'm about to give you all my ID. I said,
No.
Tell me this, and you said, look, give me your ID. So I was about to give it to you.
But you didn't. No. You think I act back? I listened to all your stupid for like 5 minutes.
Look, bro, and I said, look, before I give y'all my ID, can y'all tell me, like, why would I get a criminal trespass?
If you're not shopping here, they don't want you.
All right, look, and they didn't even tell me, I don't even have criminal trespass.
You do now. Now you're going to jail.
And look, I said, look, can y'all tell me, all right, give me your ID. So look, I'm about to give it to you.
Disturbing the peace.
Disturbing the peace.
Yeah, this
And
is
since
peaceful.
you
It
tense up and
was.
don't want to give us your arms.
Man, that's
we had a
The way you were raised is bull.
Tell me how
I'm telling you how you're raised.
Don't tell me
You're
how
acting a fool.
Boy, you got me
Yeah, you are
You got
up.
me up.
Yes, you
Boy.
are up.
You're gonna be banned and deaf. You're no longer welcome to this mall ever again.
All right, look, watch when I defeat this.
Yeah.
What the out?
We're not going to store your. Well, then you're not going to get your stuff back.
Y'all got me
You're not going to get your stuff back though.
tensed up, man.
Hey, here. Look. This is the police. This is the police and you. You. How do you like that? Police said it right back to you. You. Do I look like your? I don't look. Well, I'm only 3.4% African.
What's wrong with? I called you.
I'm 3.4% sub-Saharan African.
So what? I said.
There you go. If you're gonna say it, don't call me. I ain't.
What is that? What is an R?
What is an R? It's a letter in the alphabet.
Trespass is knowingly entering another owner's property or land without permission, which encroaches on the owner's privacy or property interests. The guy was handcuffed by the police and taken out of the mall. The conversation between them remained tense. When they got outside, an officer pushed the guy down while searching him.
Keep asking my
Hold on, you just called me a fool.
and you got put in my yeah. Where you want me to go?
That way.
All right.
Man, everything was going good. You and I had a good rapport.
Man, yes, we did. So y'all didn't talk about kids. I slapped.
I don't think you will.
What you saying? I'm not even. I'm a king. Y'all take me.
Oh, everybody is.
Thanks, sir. Yeah. You understand the criminal trespass they gave you?
Look, man, I need my wallet in my pocket.
Thank you.
Hey, look, bro. I need my wallet.
What are you doing? Stop. I'm trying to take your shoes off. Okay, stop. Just stop. Quit acting like
Why you trying to take my shoes off?
because I have to search you. See, that's all you can see is shut up. Just behave. That's all you gotta do. This is the reason why you're in handcuffs, you just can't behave.
We gotta make sure you got nothing in them, dude. I don't know your life. Dude, you keep tensing up, you keep getting it.
There you go.
If you don't put me
We'll just wait right here. That'll be easier.
Alright, sis. Sorry, bro. Shit.
We good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you really good?
Yeah, I'm good.
We need to make sure you're good.
I'm good, bro.
I know you can't. That's the reason I did this. A minute ago, you said you were gonna slap me. And you keep tensing up, dude. I can't trust you. I don't know you. You're good. I'm good.
Yeah.
You react, I react.
Alright, cool.
Understand?
Yeah, whatever.
I'm sorry?
Look, man, I ain't even doing nothing.
You react, I react. All you had to do is give me your ID. We're gonna
get you up.
We're gonna stand up. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, look, man. Where y'all gonna put y'all not gonna put my back in my mother.
They're gonna go with you.
Look, watch your head. Watch your head.
After this encounter, the police were disciplined for not respecting the man's rights. An internal review concluded that the police acted unprofessionally, resulting in a suspension without pay. On August 29, 2022, Senator John Lundberg's daughter was pulled over by the police for having tinted windows. At first, the woman explained that Officer McDaniel had previously stopped her and checked the tinted windows the week before, saying that they were fine.
Templar, 456 year old gay is 8737.
Sam? No. You know how dark your window tint is?
Oh, Officer McDaniel checked it last week. I swear to you, he pulled me over for it. You can check it, though. He pulled me over last week for it, but he checked it and said it was fine.
However, the officer seemed skeptical and called another officer, Carter, who arrived with a meter to measure the tint darkness of the windows.
I swear, he pulled me over right in front of my house, on near King College.
497 and 462. Hold on one second.
Okay.
Another officer's got a little meter that he can put on it. It's dark as hell.
Officer
Oh, well.
McDaniel checked it last week, like literally in front of my house. He pulled me over pulled me over in October because my tags were...
You don't have like a medical exemption or anything like that, do you? No. Why is it so dark? Other than it looks good.
I don't know. I mean, it's been like this for a year and a half. McDaniel pulled me over twice for it, and he's checked it both times.
Do you use one of the cards like this, or do you have a meter?
Use the card.
All right. Carter's on his way here. He's got a meter. We can check it.
If it's dark, if it's over the legal limit, I'm going to give you a citation. However, that's just because the admin's on our ass. So one phone call from your dad would probably get rid of it and save all of us a lot of heartache. We don't know why. So, well, we all know your window tint's real dark, and I don't believe that's Oh, I did. Just like I said, one call from your dad would probably make all this go away. Save all of us a lot of heartache.
You got your license on you?
Yeah, I do.
All right, sit tight.
During the stop, the officers express that their administration is enforcing strict rules on window tints, which is why they are conducting the check. The driver cooperates, and the tint is tested. One of the officers mentions that they dislike issuing citations for window tints, but are required to due to administrative pressure.
Your window tint meter. Mm-hmm.
Y'all trying to get it shut down, aren't you?
Yep, need the window tint meter. How's this thing work?
You just stick it on.
Stick it on there. She says Mac pulled her over the other day and said it was good. It looks real dark to me.
What if I don't want him to check my window tint? I don't like you.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Why don't you like Carter? Alright, you can roll this one up just a little bit. Or that one. He might get his chin stuck in it, I don't know. This one.
Oh, that one. Whoa! I'm gonna cut your hand off.
What's the legal on this meter? What's the legal limit on the meter?
It's supposed to be 35. I usually do
12. I think when Max stopped you, Max blind. So, sit tight for me, okay?
All right.
All right. There's your ID back. Except, I hate doing this, but our admin's on us real heavy for window tint. A lot of us don't agree with it, but...
My mom got a ticket today, too.
No, court date set for February 26th at 8 a.m. You do have the option of having it taken off and get legal limit, and the judge will treat it as a warning and he'll dismiss it.
I'm not even going to be in town that day.
There's a number on the back there you can call and have it rescheduled.
Okay.
Or you can just pay the ticket and leave the window tint as it is. All right. You just sign there. Not admission guilt, just saying you received a citation, you'll get taken care of, you'll appear in court.
The law requires that the windows on the vehicle allow at least 75% of light through the front windscreen and 70% of light through the front side windows. In the end, the officer was fired. Senator Lundberg says he regrets calling the police chief after Phil Kiersnowski pulled over his daughter last month. The officer ticketed Sam Lundberg for a window tint violation, but during the traffic stop, criticized the police department's window tinting enforcement and urged Lundberg to get her father involved.
Why do you assume? Because you're showing some very strong signs of impairment. All right, what I want you to do is make a tight seal around this and blow outwards like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? You ready? Yep. Okay, you can relax.
Hey there! Welcome to Cops Quiz. Today's video shows corrupt cops getting caught in the act and regretting their confrontation with an incredibly sharp teen. This highlights why it's essential to be informed and assertive. Make sure to subscribe so you can stay updated with our latest content and learn how to protect yourself effectively. Let's get it on. On the evening of August 28, 2022, a routine drive turned into an unexpected ordeal for Taven Galanakis, a 19-year-old freshman at William Penn University. Pulled over by Newton police due to a damaged headlight, Galanakis found himself facing unforeseen challenges.
Jasper 639 traffic. 943. AZB 943. Hi there. How you doing, sir? Good, how are you? Good. My name's Officer Winters with the Newton Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is because you have your bright lights on. Okay, well that's not legal. Oh, it isn't? No.
In an effort to ensure safety, Officer Winters approached Galanakis and asked about his plans for the evening. Winters carefully reviewed the teenager's paperwork and then requested that he exit the vehicle. During the interaction, Winters asked if Galanakis was carrying any firearms. After returning to his vehicle, Winters continued questioning Galanakis about his alcohol consumption. Although Galanakis offered to take a breathalyzer test, the police rejected his offer despite his complete sobriety. Officer Winters insisted on conducting field sobriety tests, even though Galanakis had already expressed his willingness to cooperate.
And you're not supposed to have your brights on in the city limits.
My fault, my fault.
You got your license, registration, insurance with you?
Yeah, I got you.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you headed?
Back home.
Are you new to town or something?
No.
I just noticed you have Adair County plates.
Yeah, I got it from my grandpa.
Anything to drink over there?
You one of these right here?
Yeah, I mean, that's a good start. That's the registration.
I just got a new one, so I don't know which one's the old one.
Okay.
Here, I'll just give you both of them.
Okay. I'll take this first one here.
Alright. Yeah, I got you. Would it be that white card?
Could be. Alright, that'll work. I'm gonna have you hop out with me, okay?
Cool.
Do me a favor, put your gum on your dash there. You don't have anything on you? No bombs, guns, drugs?
No bombs or no drugs.
Okay, let's go back here. I'm gonna have you have a seat in my passenger seat, okay?
Awesome.
Close the door behind you. Where are you coming from?
Back by, his name is Crayon, his friend's house.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
None. Do you want to blow me real quick?
I don't want to blow you.
Pause. 19.
Uh-huh.
19.
Okay.
I've had nothing to drink. Alright.
And so does the odor of alcohol coming from your person. We'll get to the test.
I can't wait. So what happens if, nothing pops up? Can I record it?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Winters.
So Officer Winters thinks I'm drinking tonight.
Alright, so let's go up on the sidewalk here and I'll talk with you up there, okay?
Cool.
Okay. Are you supposed to have him in when you drive?
No.
Okay.
After Galanakis completed the walking test, Officer Winters pointed out an alleged misstep, casting doubt on the officer's impartiality. Winters also questioned the cause of Galanakis' trembling, which Galanakis attributed to the persistent rain. This comment, seemingly trivial, may have touched the officer's pride and led to a series of additional sobriety tests, highlighting Winters' excessive zeal for enforcement.
I'm going to have you stand with your heels and toes together, with your arms down to your side. I'm going to check your eyes.
Cool.
Okay, what I want you to do is follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only and do not move your head, okay? Can you see my finger clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
How many more we got?
This test is about 2 minutes long.
Did you ever go to college though?
I did. Are you comfortable in walking in the shoes you got on?
Yeah. Let's do it somewhere where there's a straight path.
Alright, so I want you to put your left foot on the line. Okay? Put it in front of your left foot with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot just like this, okay? Begin.
Gotcha.
Off one.
So you want to get to 9? I guess. So, how do I turn?
Take a series of small steps. Heel toe. Heel toe.
Come on, man. It's too easy.
Well, sir, I don't believe you are 2 for 2. I said 9. Why'd you take 14 and then 15? So the next test is I want you to stand with your heels and toes together. Stand right here in this flat part. What I want you to do when I say begin is raise either your left or your right foot, whichever one you want. It's going to look something just like this, okay? During this, watch the tip of your toe, keep your arms down your side, and count out loud in the following manner. You're going to hold your foot approximately 6 inches off the ground and keep it parallel to the ground. Why are you shaking so much?
It's freezing, man. Nope.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, you may begin. Keep your legs straight.
Is that 6 inches to you?
Yep.
I forgot how you told me, but you're doing pretty well. Just doing a switch. It's ridiculous.
Okay, you can relax. I'm gonna check your eyes again, okay?
Alright.
When Galanakis sought to speak with the police supervisor, Winters intervened, stating, "You're speaking to him." This exchange suggested potential misconduct. Despite the breathalyzer revealing a 0.0 BAC, Winters chose not to disclose this result. During a subsequent phone call with his supervisor, Winters admitted Galanakis' sobriety, but expressed frustration using derogatory language.
Who's supervisor? You're looking at it. Thank you, thank you.
So, just follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, and don't move your head, okay?
You want me to cross my eyes or what? I see it.
A couple more tests here, okay? I want you to stand with your heels and toes together with your arms down your side. During this, you're gonna have your eyes closed and your head tilted back, okay?
Eyes closed and head tilted back. 30.
What'd you count to?
30.
How'd you count there?
Just stayed in my head.
All right, one more test here.
Wait, hold up. Am I able to get this video?
I'm gonna give you a series of commands, okay? The command's gonna be either left or right. Left. Left. Right.
I used to love new cops. I used to love them. Never give me no problems. Till now. My beams were on.
Because you're showing some very strong signs of impairment. All right, what I want you to do is make a tight seal around this and blow outwards like you're blowing up a balloon, okay?
You ready?
Yep. Okay, you can relax.
Officer Winters faced a legal conundrum when, despite Galanakis' clear sobriety, he proceeded to recite Miranda rights. He suspected substance use and attributed Galanakis' behavior to recreational activities involving an herbal substance. Galanakis vehemently protested, asserting his rights and innocence, emphasizing his role as a college football player and the potential consequences of drug use, including jeopardizing his place on the team. Ultimately, Galanakis was wrongfully arrested on a DUI drug charge.
So I'm going to read you Miranda, okay? Right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. When's the last time you smoked weed?
I do not remember that.
Tonight?
No, I've had no weed tonight.
Just for 6:30 down on team.
What? Why do you think it's tonight? Why do you think I smoke? I blew zeros, so now you're trying to think I smoke weed. That's what we on? So you think I'm on drugs? That's ridiculous.
I would. So let's be honest.
I'm being honest.
You smoked some weed at your friend's house?
No.
Why is your field sobriety so poor? And why are you so lethargic and slow moving and speaking with a slurred speech?
No weed. I don't smoke weed. I play college football. I told you that. We get tested every Friday. Okay? It's 30 days. We stay on your shit for 30 days. So if I did a test next week, I'd be off the football team. Dumbass. I want that video too.
Okay, but I think you're impaired. I think you're under the influence.
You think I'm impaired?
Yes. You want to talk to another officer?
Hell yeah, get him over here. Can I call my parents or something? Can I call my mom? Heroes, now he's accusing me of being on drugs right now.
Can you hear me? So, here's my situation. I stopped this guy for, I asked him, I read him Miranda, PBT 000. So he says he'll do an evaluation, but he's kind of a smart ass. Okay, but I obviously have enough to charge him with the sobriety, so I'll ask him and I'll let you know. Just start heading to the PD and I'll let you know. How do you pronounce your name? Taven?
Taven Galanakis.
Okay. I spoke with the drug recognition expert, and he said that he's willing to do a drug influence evaluation on you.
I don't want to do that now. I want to go home. You wasted my time.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Right now, you're being placed under arrest for operating while intoxicated, okay?
Sir, I'm not intoxicated. I blew zeros.
You can be under the influence of a narcotic. Nothing else on you?
It's my inhaler, man.
That's
see that. Drugs.
Okay. Let's go back here. Have a seat in there.
On the left. Turn a face long.
Stay standing, I'll get you out of handcuffs. Have a seat. Want to do the drug recognition evaluation?
We can do it.
It sounds like you're breathing just fine.
I literally can't breathe through my nose right now.
Yeah, just...
Can I just use it? I keep it on me for a reason. Keep it on me for a reason.
So when we used weed last? How does it feel for a while?
Remember I told you when you first pulled me over?
I had nothing to drink. He's gonna look stupid.
You're like, you're impaired. You're on drugs. You drink alcohol. I'm really disappointed in how you can't bite your drug
I
test.
based my decision on your field sobriety test. So
that's terrible. I hope you do better than that
next time. I would recommend asking for clarification.
Galanakis has initiated legal action against the Iowa Police Department, aiming to hold Officer Winters accountable for his misconduct. This case raises concerns about potential leniency in disciplinary actions, with fears that Winters may only receive a temporary suspension with pay. It highlights broader issues within law enforcement, including the abuse of power and the need for stringent oversight and accountability. The unveiling of a troubling development within the Nicholas County, West Virginia Sheriff's Department has sent shockwaves through the community, prompting urgent calls for attention and action. In an exclusive clip, viewers are confronted with what appears to be a flagrant violation of constitutional rights, raising serious concerns about the conduct of law enforcement officials.
That guy flashing these lights, warning. I'm going after him.
At the center of the controversy is Corporal J.D. Ellison, whose actions have come under intense scrutiny following a recent incident. Ellison's conduct, as depicted in the footage, has sparked outrage due to its apparent disregard for the rights of individuals and the rule of law. The incident revolves around the levying of fines against an individual, identified as William, for alleged offenses that lack substantial evidence upon closer examination.
That was pretty stupid, wasn't it?
What's that?
Flashing your lights at everybody to let them know the law.
Is that a crime?
Yeah.
It is? I didn't know that.
You got your license registration proof?
Yeah,
you're flashing your high beams at people to...
In the daytime?
Yeah. It doesn't say daytime or nighttime. It just says that you can't do it, and you did it. What's that?
The insurance, I didn't look it up on my phone. Insurance, because I got insurance. I switched from Allstate to... Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know that was a crime.
Of particular concern is Ellison's decision to pursue charges based on flimsy grounds, such as an unsigned registration card and dubious claims regarding special light restrictions. These accusations, which crumble under scrutiny, highlight not only procedural flaws, but also the potential for abuse of power within the Sheriff's Department.
I'm sure I could articulate some other kind of driving charge in there for doing that too. Just you can hang tight, listen to what he says.
Here, he got the right one pulled up now.
This ain't the right one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I was looking at this.
No worries.
It was covered up by the license, and that's all I seen. Alright, so there's your stuff back there. And I wrote you 2 citations today. First one being special restrictions on lamps, and at that point in time you had flashing lights on your vehicle. It's unauthorized. Yeah, it's not illegal to do that, to flash and warn, but it's illegal to high beam. And I could take you to jail today for your unsigned registration card, but I just wrote you a citation for that. You think it's funny, sir?
I'm allowed to laugh. I can laugh all I want.
Okay, go ahead and step out here for me.
Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are. Step out of the vehicle. Place your hands behind your back for me.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Place your hands behind your back for me.
Oh, man, you're serious.
Yeah, I'll never be your brother. I'll never be your brother.
Exactly. You'll never be my brother.
Don't jerk away from me. Don't jerk away from me, sir. Which is away from traffic.
You're arresting me for laughing.
I'm arresting you for unsigned registration.
Okay, all right.
Do you have any weapons in the vehicle?
I got no weapons.
Okay. Hang tight in front of my vehicle. I guess I'll see you in court. Alright, ticket still stands there. Special restrictions. Alrighty, sir. Be safe.
The subsequent legal proceedings, overseen by Magistrate Michael Hanks, further underscore the gravity of the situation. While some charges against William are dismissed due to lack of evidence, the core issue of fundamental rights violations remains unresolved. Judge Hanks's sentencing of William on charges related to the alleged light restrictions serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by individuals when confronted with unjust accusations. At its heart, This incident represents a blatant violation of Fourth Amendment rights, as evidenced by the unjustified use of force and unwarranted detention of individuals without cause. Ellison's actions not only betray a disregard for the law, but also erode the trust and confidence that the community places in its law enforcement agencies. Through this video, we hope that you have not only become aware of the issue of police corruption in the United States, but also felt the spirit of unity and determination in promoting fairness and transparency in society. With each viewer being a new step forward, we hope that you will not only be a witness, but also supporters and contributors to positive change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue following the latest content from us on the Cops Quiz channel. Goodbye, and see you again soon.